Welcome to the Adventures of the Red 19 and Naomi Stronza, the Maserati, or Scuderia Maserati. Now, if you have a turbo coolant pipe blow on one of these, the magic trick is to not panic, but to remove lots of pipework. It is virtually inaccessible to get to from underneath. So what you have to do is take all the pipework from on top, which is this. You have to move this. Don't have to take it off, just move it away. This, and all the pipes connected, including this one here. Take it all away, and you can get to the turbo coolant pipe through this angle here. And you can get to both the top and bottom clips and replace it fairly straightforward. It took me quite a while to get this done because I was learning on the job, and there's virtually no sort of coverage for these cars in the UK. So that's what it happened, and I'm very happy to say that the car now starts and should be up for an MOT soon.